Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fit a Ford Fiesta rear reflector. First, gather your essential tools. You will need a trim removal tool, a new reflector, and possibly a small flathead screwdriver. Ensure your vehicle is parked safely on a level surface with the engine off. Preparing your work area properly will make the entire process much smoother and more efficient. Now, let's carefully remove the old reflector. Begin by gently prying around its edges using your trim removal tool. This helps to release the clips without scratching your car's paintwork. If your reflector includes a light, remember to disconnect the electrical wiring before fully removing the unit. Take your time to avoid any unnecessary damage during this step. Before installing the new reflector, preparation is key. Thoroughly clean the mounting area on your bumper, removing any dirt, dust, or old adhesive. This ensures a secure fit. Also, take a moment to inspect the bumper's clips and mounting points for any damage. Finally, double-check that your new reflector is indeed the correct part for your Ford Fiesta. It's time to install your brand new reflector. Carefully align the new part with the mounting points on your bumper. Once aligned, press firmly around the edges until you hear or feel the clips securely engage. If your reflector has a light, don't forget to reconnect the electrical wiring. Give it a gentle tug to ensure it's firmly in place and looks perfect.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.